So here we are after a little bit of work. Of course, nothing ever gets done in one fell swoop. I've got most of the drip rail off, but unfortunately it's still attached because I need to get up on the bow and take some rivets out. So that'll take some drilling from up there. I can't reach from up here and do it, but the most important part is I've been chunking some of this stuff out. I got the main screws out. These screws are all loose, by the way. Every one of these screws is loose. That one may be a little less loose, but these things are all secured with, well, at least on the last one I did, T-bolts, or T-nuts, excuse me, which these screws screw into the T-nuts, which have been hammered into the back of the wood that was drilled out for the screws. And I guess they work pretty well. But when you're not treating the wood before you put it together, then this is what you end up with. That's just a start. There's about 3 or 4 times more than that in there. And I think it's a 8-inch board that they put in. And you can just see the mold and the rot and the bugs have eaten. It's really common on these. Here's some more algae, rot, and just plain nastiness. Well, I've got to get one side at least safe, so if we have to have an emergency run to the bow, you don't end up in the drink or tearing half the side of the fly bridge off. But I'm going to do a few more bits to it here. I just need to rest my shoulder and not beat myself up too much. So I'll be back.